In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. If you're new to Notion or just exploring its features, you'll be glad to know that embedding videos from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you can add that dynamic content to your pages with ease. The first thing you'll want to do is to get the link to the video you wish to embed. Whether your video is hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, or any other platform that supports embedding, simply navigate to the video and copy its link from the address bar. If you're on YouTube, for instance, you can just click the Share button below the video and select Copy Link. Make sure you've got it ready, as we'll use it in the next steps. Now that you have the video link on your clipboard, let's switch over to Notion. Inside your Notion page, you'll want to create a new block. This is accomplished by simply hitting the / key on your keyboard. The slash is your gateway to all the powerful Notion commands. In this case, type video after the slash. Notion will prompt you with a special block for embedding videos, making the process both clean and efficient. Next, with the video block waiting for your input, you'll paste the link you copied earlier. It's as simple as hitting paste or using a right-click and selecting the paste option from the menu. Once you paste the link, Notion will work its behind-the-scenes magic, grabbing all the necessary data from the video platform to display your video properly within your page. After pasting the link, Notion almost immediately transforms it into a playable video window right there on your page. It's impressive how seamlessly it integrates. You'll see the video player appear, complete with the play button and controls you would expect. This feature allows your readers or yourself to interact with the video without needing to leave the Notion environment. As a tip, you can easily resize the video block if needed, ensuring it fits well with the rest of your content. Just hover over the video, and you'll notice handles that you can drag to adjust its size to your liking. Embedding videos this way not only enriches your Notion pages, but also captivates viewers, especially if you're sharing informative or engaging content. And there you have it. That's all it takes to embed a video in Notion. This simple yet effective feature can add a lot of value to your digital notes or presentations. Thanks for following along, and feel free to practice this a few times so it becomes second nature. Have fun enhancing your Notion pages, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.